Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Toyota Prius engine. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting both the 12-volt and high-voltage hybrid batteries. Next, drain all engine fluids, including about 4 quarts of engine oil and up to 10 liters of coolant from both cooling loops. Then, remove the air intake system, the wiper cowl assembly, and any front bumper components to create working space. Moving to the top side, carefully disconnect the hybrid inverter wiring, but only after confirming 0 voltage with a multimeter. Proceed to unplug all electrical connectors and safely disconnect the fuel lines, ensuring no residual pressure. Finally, detach the numerous coolant hoses, which include those for the inverter and the vehicle's heater core, to free the engine. Now, shift your focus to the undercarriage. Begin by removing the lower engine cover, the exhaust pipe from the manifold, and both constant velocity axles. Next, unbolt the air conditioning compressor and carefully secure it out of the way without disconnecting its lines. Finally, remove all engine mounts, which are commonly fastened with 14mm nuts and bolts, preparing the engine for extraction. For the final step, remove the 8 bell housing bolts that connect the engine to the transaxle. With all connections severed, attach an engine hoist equipped with a load leveler for safe and controlled lifting. The engine alone weighs approximately 80 kilograms, so carefully maneuver it upwards and out of the engine bay, ensuring no components snag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.